Hey guys, I'm Props, and today I'm going to be making a working Spider Man web shooter from Spider Man PS4. The first thing I did was went through and drilled some holes into a piece of wood that I cut to the basic shape of the batarang, and then I put a rubber band with a little mechanism that I made out of an old bottle cap and some pipes, and then drilled some holes in the sides of that, and then glued on some pieces of cardboard to hold on another piece to cover up the whole thing. And this works essentially as a slingshot to propel out a little bullet piece that I made that I attached a web to. I then went through and covered the whole thing in some cardboard and then glue on some detailed panels to make all of the small details that the web shooter has from Spider-Man from the PS4. I also glued in a small barrel into the middle of the thing just to hold the missile in place while I shoot it. I then went through and primered and painted the whole thing red, and then painted on all of the black details with some matte black paint, and then painted on the chrome parts with some Molotov silver. I then glued on a strap so that I could put it around my wrist, and then I glued on the string with the bullet attached to it with some hot glue and some super glue just to hold a magnet in place at the end of it. This thing turned out pretty well. It shoots pretty good once you get the hang of loading it, and I will definitely be using this in some short film or something because it's pretty stinking awesome. I also like how the looks of it turned out pretty good. It's pretty accurate to the actual thing used. If you guys don't mind, you can check out my Etsy where most of the props that I've made over the past year or so are on there, as well as some 3D printed things which I've made over the past couple of months. Thanks for watching. See ya.